Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the practical series of the cloud computing and web services. In this session, I will explain you how we can consume Google search or Google Map web service. So do remember students, the Google Map service is already available on the server, right? We just call, we can consume the web service using internet. So let us start with the practical. Go to the file, new, Java web application. Okay. Now I'm giving a name as my Google Map web app. So this is my name of the project. Next, then we have to select the Glassfish server. Next, and then finish. So this will create a web application. Just wait. Now we can see here we have our project, right? Google Map, my Google Map web application. Now we have a different options here. Now right click on the project, new. Now we create a JSP file. So now we first create a input.jsp file. Okay, right? Just close it. Now next, again go to the project, again right click, new, JSP. Next we create output.jsp file. So we have to create two files, input.jsp and output.jsp. Just delete this comment. Okay, head is not required here, and then h1 tag. Okay, now just press Ctrl spacebar. It will show the IntelliSense. Now we first go to the form tag. Now in form we select the file on action, that is your output file. Select, then method equals to post and OK. So form tag का आ गया code. Now next we write, enter the longitude. So we will take a longitude and latitude for the input. So Control space bar. Now next we take text input T1. Then BR, enter the latitude and longitude. Okay, now Control space bar again, text input T2. So these are the two inputs that we ask for the user to enter. Now Control space bar. Now we take a button, show map. So this is my input.jsp. We just first execute this code. Right click, run file. Just wait for some time. It will start execution. This is an output of input.jsp. As we can see here, this is your input.jsp. Here we enter the longitude and the latitude for the Google Map location. On the clicking of this show map, right, it will start the Google Map. So now we start with the code in output.jsp. So in output, this is your output.jsp. Now here we type the scriptlet code first. This is my scriptlet tag. Okay, now we start with the double lat latitude. Now we typecast the input to double dot parse double. Now we get the request, get parameter, and the name of the parameter is T1. Okay, so this is my first input. In the same way, double lag, then again double dot parse double request dot get parameter, within this T2. So these are the two inputs that we are taken from HTML T1 and T2, and here we just get the parameter T1 and T2. The next step, we have to write a code to call the Google Map service from the Google Cloud. Okay, now this is a code, as we can see here, right? In H3 we are writing Google Map. Okay, we are giving a ID as map. Now we are writing a JavaScript. So basically this JavaScript is used to call that Google Map. अगर हम यहाँ ध्यान दें, right, we are calling that Google Map by passing the latitude and the longitude जो हमने यहाँ पे यूजर से इनपुट लिया है in HTML. So this is a basically a script, right? ये एक script है that is used to call the Google Map from the Google Cloud. Okay, now this is a path for the cloud, as we can see here, maps.google. This is our entire path. Now here we add our key. यहाँ पे हमको वो जो key generate होगा Google Map का on Google Cloud, we have to pass that key in between this double quotes and ampersand. So now how we can generate this key? So for that we have to go for the Google Cloud service. Okay, just open this Google Cloud service. Okay, now we create a Google Map API on Google Cloud. So this is an URL, right? We have to enter this URL and we have to sign the Google Cloud using a Gmail credential. Okay, you can use the Gmail account. Okay, so this is my account. Okay, as we can see here, this is my account. So here we have to first create a project. Okay, now we have to first select new project. So create a project, go to this option. Here we have to create a project. So I am creating this my Google Map practical. Okay, and then just click on create. So to generate a Google Map key, we have to first create a project. Do remember, students, this is one of the very important step. Okay, within this project, right, we have various options here, right? Now here we go to the options, Google Map platform, right, API and services. API and services. So it will open the API, right, and we search the Google Map API here. Just wait for some time. Now change the account again. Okay, so we log in with the email ID, right? API and services. Just go to the API and services here. Okay, this is our project. Just now we enable the API and services. Now here we search the service, right? The name of the service is this Maps JavaScript API. Okay, Maps JavaScript API. So this is an API, Maps JavaScript and API. Enable it. So here we have to first registered, right? Google Map, Google Cloud पे we have to first create an account. We have to register it, right? We have to put the basic information, organization details. So now it will redirect to on this page. Okay, here we have to select the country, agree and continue. Okay, now here we fill up all the details, right? The name, right? The street, right? You can give any. I'm just giving a street like this, and then we have to select the Maharashtra state, and then update. Okay, okay. Now we add a payment method, right? We have two options here. We can do the payment using credit card or debit card, or by using UPI ID. So now I'm selecting this, the UPI ID method. Start free. start free, again start free. Now just you have to scan this scanner, right? You have to pay the 2 rupees on this Google Cloud. After this step it will generate a key for you. Okay, so now just scan and do the further steps, right? In that step only you have to get a key. So वो जो key मिलेगा हमको, right? We have to write that key after the scanning, after paying the 2 rupees, we have to put the key here, right? यहाँ पे हमको वो key put करना है. Then we execute the code, we'll get the output. Now we execute this code. After entering the key, we have to first enter the key between equal and ampersand sign. After entering the key, just run this input.jsp file, right? We have to enter the two things, latitude and longitude. So now I am entering the latitude and longitude. This on the clicking of this show button, see, as we can see here, we are getting the Google map. So this is my Google map, right? This is my India map, and we have a Mumbai. This is a longitude and latitude for the Mumbai, as we can see here. So this is all about the Google map service, right? I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.